Doug into a marlin, his second for the trip. Yesterday he got a striped marlin of about 180 pounds, which is a very big striped marlin, on 30-pound line. Excellent effort. This one is taking string. Again, it is apparently a very good fish. It's taking line and there's nothing he can do except watch it disappear. He's been fighting the fish for 15 minutes now. It's going down, down, down. Bye-bye.
Some silly side's got to wind that back in again.
I was worrying you.
No, I'm just getting shorter and shorter.
Progress. Now the fish seems to be coming up. Doug can gain some line back again. And now it's coming up quite quickly. He's having to work for his... There, Broadbill, which is the boat that, Doug caught his marlin on yesterday. Martin Poole also fishing with us. Got a sailfish on Sunday, which was our first day out. Shimoni is the decky. Doug the angler, Simon the skipper. Okay folks, the fish has come back onto the surface and we're going to chase after it a bit so that we can get some of the line back for Doug. At the moment it's pretty much a stalemate. Nobody taking or gaining line. Okay folks, this is 25 minutes into the fight. We almost got the fish and then it went back down deep again. It's right here up on the surface. Hopefully we'll get it this time round.
Is it? See? Yeah. Hold on, let's see if we can get him selling. That's a nice fish.
Sideways?
How do you compare with the one you got yesterday? Let me try and take